Breaking news, comedian Bill Cosby has just been hit with another sexual assault lawsuit filed in civil court by former model Victoria Valentino, who alleges he drugged and sexually assaulted her more than 5 decades ago in 1969. The lawsuit is possible because of a new California law that lifts the statute of limitations for civil sexual abuse cases. Valentino says Cosby comforted her at an LA restaurant when she was crying over the death of her son, later gave her pills and raped her. Cosby was released from prison in 2021 when Pennsylvania's Supreme Court overturned his conviction for drugging and assaulting Andrea Constant in 2004. NBC News has reached out to his representatives for comments on this latest suit.
Hi everyone, I'm your host, owner, and creator of The Mix. Welcome to my channel. Welcome. As you can see what this video is going to be about, yes, Mr. Bill Cosby. A new civil lawsuit has been filed against Mr. Cosby, and in my opinion, this is utterly ridiculous. As you can hear from the clip I played, I'm just almost at a loss for words, and the rabbit hole runs deep. It runs deep. But before I continue with my discussion, opinion, and commentary and reaction to this, I need for you all to like this video, share this video, and especially for those who are digitally passing by, go ahead and smash that subscription button, hit that notification bell. That way you will be in tune with all the content I drop on my channel. And that's for everyone. Smash that notification bell and share this video, and also listen to the video from beginning to end. And if you're interested in donating to the Mix for content enhancement creation, go ahead and sell your girl. The information is in my description section of my channel, and also my Cash App is there too. Okay, now that I have the way, let me go ahead and issue this disclaimer, because I don't want people to get things misconstrued. Let me be clear. My opinion, reaction, and commentary is not meant to trigger or cause harm to victims who have truly suffered from such a harmful act as assault. That's not what I'm here for. Not to attack anyone who has been harmed in this way, form, or fashion. My intent is to not harm anyone through my words or personal views and opinions based on a history of untruths told against many people, men and women, as a result, cost them their livelihoods. And there is case law to support false claims and allegations or convictions being overturned, because it's been proven that it was all a lie. So again, let me be clear. I'm not here to harm or trigger anyone who has truly been impacted by as assault. And those who are, you know who you are. And my heart goes out to you all. And I pray that you get and receive the healing that you need. And don't get it twisted. I've known people who've suffered from this as well. In real life, it happened for real. So again, the Mix is not here to cast any stones or judge anyone who has experienced such a horrific act. However, there are some untruths. There are some lies. Let's just be real and honest. And there's case law on record to support convictions being overturned and due to lies being told. Charges being dropped due to lies being told. So let me just issue that disclaimer, and that's that. Okay, so you did hear that audio snippet. I think that was MSNBC News. I'm not understanding all of this. So annoyed right now with the direction of the legal system, to the judicial system in this country. It's trash. It's trash. They just running amok. And shame on these politicians, state reps, all of them who seem to be just concerned about their own political agendas and to cater or pander to a certain type of social group just for, and I'm going to go ahead and say this, they clout chase too. Politicians, they clout chase. They do. They do. So let me go ahead and share this article with you, and I'm going to share a couple screens with you all. Okay, let's jump into the law on this subject matter, because Bill Cosby, as you heard from the audio, new civil lawsuit against him from a former model dating back to what it was 1969, and the statute of limitations on SSL was lifted in California from a civil perspective. Wow. So as you can see here, the National Law Review, this is, to my understanding, is a credible website. California's expanded statute of limitations for civil claims for assault. And what this means. Okay, let's jump down to here. I'm going to read some excerpts. I like to dive into the statute. Okay, how did we get here? How did we get here? What is this? What does this mean? What is the statute of limitations being lifted or expanded? Okay, in California, this is just only in California. But watch out other states. I don't know how because every state is different. So I'm not sure if other state has this implemented as well. And if so, I don't know those states off the top of my head. I would have to research, or you can research and just drop it in the comment section. Also, like this video, like it, and listen to the video from beginning to end. Okay, let me jump right into it. If you have experienced assault in California, you might still be able to take legal action, even if the assault occurred years ago, thanks to the passage of a new law, and that's in the state of California. On January 1st, 2023, California expanded its statute of limitations for assault claims, which permit survivors to file legal claims for a assault that happened years ago, meaning that the alleged victims, the alleged survivors, could get a bag, the money bag. In the past decade, in large part thanks to the impact of the Me Too movement, assault survivors have come forward in increasing numbers, undoubtedly in response to this movement. California has repeatedly redefined a statute of limitations for assault cases to give survivors more opportunities to take legal action. Some of California's changes permanently increase the period of time a survivor can bring a civil claim for assault. Other changes temporarily open a look-back window, during which a survivor can bring a claim for assault that had otherwise expired. So what that means, you all, if it had expired, they're using this look-back window. Take, for instance, Mr. Bill Cosby. Allegedly happened in 1969. So they're using the look-back as a window to go further back. We recognize that the decision whether to pursue a SSL case is an incredibly sensitive and emotional one. What is the statute of limitations for SSL? A statute of limitations sets a time limit for the maximum time that a person has to begin legal action from the date of the assault. In civil assault cases, a statute of limitation defines the length of time the plaintiff has to file for a lawsuit after the assault. Okay, there you have it with that. That's pretty much that in a nutshell, and it's ridiculous. I wonder who supported this from a state level. Which state rep supported this? They probably all did. I'm probably going to have to do a little bit more digging to see who supported this in California. Pay attention, people, because this could be you. This could be a relative. Think about it. And again, this is for those who, this is not intended to cast a bad light on those who are truly victims. So pay attention. Like I said, I wonder who supported this from a local level, a local political level. And remember, everyone, California is a Democrat state. And again, as I stated in previous videos, vet your local politicians and federal. Vet them before you go to the polls. Those who are running for political offices, those who are judges, vet them. Google is your friend. Bing is your friend. Go to whatever search engine. Dig up articles. I implore you all. I encourage you all. If you're going to participate in a voting system, look at who's making these decisions. These statutes, they will affect generations to come. Meaning when we're no longer here, our children's children, unless somebody comes in and overturns or erase, or you know how they do with some certain things. But I doubt that. I highly doubt it. But yeah, so what are your thoughts on this? This is, to me, it's disgusting. It's disturbing. It is. From 1969? What? But the lady who lied on Emmett Till, they didn't want to go issue no arrest warrant for her. They didn't want to go fulfill because the arrest warrant was never removed. Remember, they issued one, but it was always in the system, to my understanding. But they let her, she lived to what? And okay. Drop a comment. What are your thoughts? I'm triggered in a way where I'm just disgusted about how the legal system, how it's being portrayed. Not only portrayed, just the actors, the lawmakers, them. How they are allowing certain things to happen. Why? In my opinion, I believe it's all political. For power to be attached to certain groups, to say, hey, do you all watch? I watch Power. Look at Tate. Tate is a great example on Power. He's trying to, I think he did win the councilman or government or whatever, governor. No, Congress. I think he won congressperson on Power. But he was playing to different constituents and playing to the public to become elected. Art's imitating life, life imitating art. I keep saying this. This is ridiculous. Let me know your thoughts. Drop a comment. Prayers up for Mr. Bill Cosby. Someone who dropped a comment. If you go head on over to my community section, check out what I've posted in my community section. But if you head on over to my community section and read the comments, someone posted like they trying to kill him, send him to the grave. That's what I was thinking too myself when I read it. I'm like, they trying to kill this man, not like in a literal sense, but you know what I mean. As this is just ridiculous. But I'm so happy. I am so happy and ecstatic that he's fighting it. I am so happy and ecstatic that he's above ground and that he's no longer incarcerated and that his record was cleared. I don't care what the public says. I don't care what social groups say. I don't. This is ridiculous. When you know, you know. This is just not how the legal system is set up. This is just not how it was designed, in my opinion, to be not designed for the melanated people. It wasn't. But we are the ones who will be made an example of with these type of changes to the laws. So like someone else commented under one of my posts, this is like a free-for-all. Exactly. But yeah, vet your politician. I'm interested to know who supported this from a state level in California. The Democrat state California is. Good luck to all you Californians. I wouldn't even dare want to be living there. Good luck. I know they got beautiful weather and, aesthetically this and that, but yeah, okay. On January 1st, 2023, California expanded its statute of limitations for SSL claims, which permits survivors to file legal claims for SSL that happened years ago. Yeah, okay. Like, share, subscribe to the mix. Like, share, subscribe. I will talk to you all soon. Let's get the discussion going. Drop a comment, share this video, like this video. Bye.